behind his butt.
Okay.
Oh, it's doing it still.
It's like those old, remember those old race cars with the trigger on the track and they had the one prong that went down in it?
Hey,
Now this train is my very first train when I was a kid. This is the one my dad told me this is the train that they bought, the very first train.
When you were about Ian's age.
Yeah, about 4 or 5.
So it's over 50 years old.
Yeah.
hey, Papa.
Huh.
Those that train looks in much better condition.
Well, that one's these old trains like this one right here that's running.
Yeah.
This had links.
Hey,
That was the first
Papa.
way they hooked them up. Then they come out with the coupler.
Papa, the black train, it's smoking fire out. It
Yeah.
looks like a race car. Race cars have, and the race car, the losing control spin, the race car spinning.
Yeah. And I got a picture. I got a picture of me with that train.
Do you really?
Yep.
Now that looks like a race car.
Yeah.
And it's-
You like that train better?
yeah.
Yeah, I do
Papa,
too.
Papa's doing smooth. See? Awesome control.
I think it was such a factory.
Yeah, I need to take it in and get it serviced.
Get the wires checked out. It's flickering.
Papa, something's wrong with the wheels.
I ain't wrong with the wheels. It's just
It's just old, Patty.
it's just old. I gotta take it in and get it serviced.
Oh, that's why the wheels are popping?
Yeah. So you like that one better, huh, Ian?
Yeah, I like the black train.
You like the black train?
That's a very old train.
Yeah. Uncle JR likes that one better too.
Wonder how much that army train is down there in the San Dimas store.
I don't know. We'll have to go down there and look at it. Oh well.